again, or should I say, this is the first ever premiere of ForexFlood Fridays. Friday. All right, so we're gonna break down two trades. I'm gonna go to the first trade I want to break down. I think it was Monday. So Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. I bet. I don't even know what was so fabulous about this trade. Let me see. No, let me just press play. Let the thing turn on. Okay. We need the super speed. Super speed, please. Super speed. Oh, take it easy. Take it easy. Take it easy. All right, best. So we're gonna go to the 1 minute. Okay, clearly that's not the 1 minute. There we go. All right, so boom. What time is this around? Okay. So we see that when I came into the chart around this time, I saw that we had the two moving averages right here. But let's just go from a 1 hour standpoint. I don't know 1 hour. Damn. All right, let me remove all of this. All right, bet. It's from the one. Well, usually I just look for the 800 moving average. So with the 800 moving average, we got it right here. I pinpoint a horizontal ray right there just to make sure is there any other moving averages in the way in that area. Okay, we also see that this potential mitigation zone. This is clearly a zone right here. I won't doubt this zone though. Just in case, like if it was, and it does come up to here. I think it reacted off of this one, but I usually just wait for the 800 moving average. This is a 5 minute. Another moving average. All right, so let's just write the confluences. You know what I mean? Gotta write the confluences. Okay, got it. All right, but confluences. One would be, I would just say the zone. Just zone, mitigation zone. Easy mitigation zone to go to the downside. Two, goes to 1 minute. 800. 1 minute, 800 x 1000 moving average. I think it was a 5 minute. 5 minute, 200 moving average. 15 minute. Yeah, it's kind of over. I ain't gonna lie, it's kind of over. It's over for this one. Now, I'm not gonna say it's still in the area. You dig? It's still in the area, but just looking at it, it looked kind of clean. I'm not gonna lie. 15 minute, 50 moving average. You dig? And we got like a nice little OB right here. Right here, OB. Let me just. If you guys don't know what the OB is, you feel me? OB right there. Let me see how that looks in the 5 minute. It's pretty big. 10 minute. It's big. I ain't gonna lie. I'm not going to even stretch it because a lot of people would say that this is the full. People would say this is the full. This would be the full OB. But you could say this as well. It's still an OB. It's the first touch of the order block. If we're being honest. So order block is definitely a confluence. Definitely a confluence. And it's an order block near the mitigation zone. So you're like, most likely. We look at the 1 hour. And I think that's it. I'll just do the 2 hour and the 4 hour just cause. Never know. So there's nothing. But you also could tell, like, looking at the 4 hour, we have a shark fin right here. So if you're waiting to predict, I don't always just predict. You don't want to just predict. You want to react. you can see that price most likely will come up here, just fill in this whole black candle, fill in half of it, and continue to go back down because they're just clearing orders or gathering orders, and just see it go back down. If you also see right here, price came to this, I guess you would say, previous level of resistance. And on top of that, that's the order block right here. Oh my gosh, I didn't see this. I didn't see this, and you just know it has a high chance of dropping. It has a very high chance of dropping. And I'm learning something called the FU candle. So this would be, people would say it grabbed liquidity from this high, or I guess you would say this double top. But that's neither here nor there. Because at the same time, because even if you're think on the grand scheme of things, price is gonna drop. Price could come. Price could come anywhere in this area. Anywhere in this area. So even if you know it's gonna drop, doesn't you have to find a precision of where you think it's gonna drop, or it doesn't matter. I don't catch swing trades, but with my strat, it turns into a swing. You dig? All right, hold on. Let me go to the 1 minute. So boom. We went a little bit too deep. Right, where my shit at, man? My fault. This shit might look a little confused. There we go. All right, but okay. Oh. And this looks like a clean OB here too. I'm not even gonna cap, but so is that our only confluences? What else do we have in the making? Okay, so that's confluences. Like when I wake up and I see this, I got my alerts set right here, like right here. Alerts are set right here. You feel me? So I woke up, I put an alert here. Probably like over here. Just to like, alright, when this shit gets touched, I'm chilling, I'm probably watching YouTube, cooling. Because you don't want to keep looking at the charts the whole time, because you might just feel FOMO. Like, I ain't gonna lie, I felt a little FOMO. Like, because I did peep for a second, so I'm gonna show you what happened. Price went all the way up here. So it came here. And it reacted crazy. Let me just cut that up. It reacted OD here. So I'm like, damn. Clearly it was another mitigation zone. So I'm not even surprised. And on top of that, liquidity was grabbed from this doji. Doji right here. I think I want to think that was a doji as well. I mean, yeah, they say that's a doji. So liquidity was grabbed. And it touched the 200 moving average. I was like, damn, I really missed the move. Because it doesn't have to go to, it doesn't have to come here. And I fell away. But I'm like, if you miss the move, there will always be another move. Like, it's not that bad. So I'm still chilling, you feel me? You cooling night, you feel me? Cooling. And I think all of a sudden price eventually went up here. And you see how like this shit is dipping down, dipping down, right? Cool, I'm cooling. I still have my alert set. I did a long ass time. Let me just go to when it went up. God damn. You see, that's the thing. Oh, okay. Let me just go all the way back here. There we go. But I don't know if there was news at this day. I'm not sure. Let me check real quick. Was there news? Well, key thing you need. Oh, I should have told you. I need Forex Factor. You need to know when the news is newsing. Also, you seen a little thing. Like, I'm ready. I'm listening to Trading in the Zone. I'm on chapter 5. I'm doing a little breakdown. Man. I'm doing a little breakdown. Just a little something. Nothing too crazy. If you guys need that, link in the description below. Hold on. Was there news Monday? Monday, 9:45. There was news. So, what time was this? Maybe 9:45. Okay, that's crazy. How? How, Sway? How? How? As soon as it hit 945, right? Boom. Moving average. Beautiful touch. Now my alert is up here, but I'm peeping. I'm trying to peep game. Like, while going on. But remember, understand this is like right here. So, 1,000 moving average is right here. So I'm most likely just thinking. It's news too, so I'm like, shit. I don't know if I want to just take this trade off rib. I forgot. I didn't know there was news. So boom, boom. It comes down. I was too slow. I was literally too slow. But then something happened. I think there was a FU candle here. Boom. FU candle. FU candle means you just grab liquidity. They said, fuck you niggas. I'm taking your stop losses. Very simple. FU candle. Entered immediately. I like making the FU candle red. I love red. And I like kind of making that shit a little thick. I like everything thick, man. Thick chocolate, thick milk, thick horizontal lines. Boom. All right. Boom. Was this an order block too? All right. It was a mitigation zone. Okay. All right. Niggas sure. I don't think I entered off rip. I had to wait for like a okay. Boom. That's when I said, all right, bet. And if you look on this, if you look on the 5-minute time frame, you could just the way that looked, it just looked like it was a liquidity grab. Yeah. Let me look at all the other time frames to make sure. Okay, boom. So I entered. I'm gonna say I entered like right here. I'm gonna say I entered here. 19 pip stop loss. I definitely entered with it. Let me see what my entry was. Where my phone at? Oh, yeah, man. Okay. I got my mom. Yeah. Hold on. Where my photos at? Yeah. All right. No, I'm doing something right now. I'm busy right now. I'm busy at the moment. All right, love you. You gotta tell your mom you love you. You love her. Was it okay? So I entered around 650 to 80. 6280. All right, bet. It was 83. Boom. All right, literally right there. Okay. And then you got to put your stop loss above here. Regardless, it was like I'm gonna make sure I have a tight stop loss. And my TP is usually a 1 for 2, so I just got 1 to 2. I wasn't fiending. I don't really have my TP sets. I make sure I have my stop loss sets because with this type of thing, this shit might go for a while. You feel me? It might actually go for a while. Let me see when I got out. I got out 84 pips. Exactly. So, I don't know how much that is. There we go. 84 pips. Damn, I had that long. I think it's because I had like went to go do something. Let me see if I'm bugging. Cause I'm okay. So, all right, yeah, I'm that guy. Oh yeah, I remember now. It's because I went through so much experiences over this whole week, just learning new shit about trading. This right here was the FU candle right here. That's what I took out. I said, oh, it's lit. You feel what I'm saying? I didn't take the buy though. I could have took this buy because if you see what happened, hold on, and like I think I did take this buy, but I took out. I don't remember. No. I remember another thing. Okay, boom. I didn't take this buy, but like you would have your stop loss, and then TP would have got hit. I think did it keep going higher? I don't remember. I'm pretty sure it did. I think it just went ridiculous. Yeah. Blah blah. Anyways, the reason this is a FU candle, it just broke this doji right here, and then you just put your stop loss between below the low. I feel like this is very simple for this type of shit, but since I'm pretty well seasoned in trading, I could just understand when price is gonna do certain things. So once I saw this doji was getting hit and the moving average and a whole lot of things, I'm like, all right, let's get in the trade. Like get in the trade. Like, let's stop playing games. You know what I'm saying? So I was already, but I didn't take the trade. I still didn't take the trade because this was a crazy order, and I was like, I feel like I'm done. I really feel like I'm done for the day. I'm not really feeling. So let me put this into perspective. So how much was that? 17.5 pips. Yeah, I definitely remember that. I definitely remember. It was an 84 pip TP. Went to 4.8 RR. This was Monday. Boom, boom. Confluences right here. Oh, okay. Let me add the more confluences because this is also shark fin with divergence because that's when I entered. This was the confluences before I even like that. Like I'm anticipating to get in this type of trade, so I'm predicting, but I'm not predicting. Like I'm saying, all right, this looks like a potential trade that I can take in the future. I'm gonna wait for my alerts to get hit. You feel what I'm saying? And we got one, and we definitely got one. So I'm gonna go with shark fin with divergence. And this is all like go. I'm not writing this down while I'm trading. It's just going in my like I'm just calculating in my head like, oh, we got one. Like we really got one. Like you know what I mean? We got one. And then the FU candle, it's a blessing. It's truly a blessing. An FU candle pattern. I want to say pattern because it's a low key. It's a pattern. It's not like you know what I'm saying. These are all the confluences in one trade. Boom. I'm gonna show you guys the divergence so you guys don't like forget. Voila. Ooh. Voila. And I hope y'all niggas looked at the old video. That's where like all the knowledge I really got from. You feel what I'm saying? Like you look at those videos, you study them for a period, a good amount of time. From you set, and if you don't really need to, you could really just study one strategy. The strategy that I would recommend you study, like it would be either the shark fin strategy with the moving averages. You could just use those or the FU pattern because those are like really high percentage trade. And it's really ridiculous how the FU pattern and the shark fin with divergence work together. You feel what I'm saying? I bet. So, what else? All right. So, I mean, I just showed you two trades. I mean, this trade you could have took as well. This buy. You could have got like a crazy order. I'm not gonna put it because I didn't take it, but you could have done that. I would maybe stop loss below the moving average so we should safe, and then TP would be like the order block right here. If you really knew, it was, I think one of the niggas I watched, they took this trade and like took it like to the crazy levels, like because that's an order block. So it's like you don't know if it could just reverse right here. So you would have got like a 1 to 2.45 RR, 16 pips, 40 pips, easy, and that's just like boom. I think it went crazy. Let me see what happened because I what time is this? It's like 1 o'clock. I'll just wait until like the next day. Yeah. Nah, who's realistically holding the trade for this long? But the buy went to an apex of 75 pips from that zone because you just like it's ridiculous. Because also, yeah, it's ridiculous. It's a lot. 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 I would want to explain everything, but next ForexFlood Friday. Next ForexFlood Friday. All right, so let me just have a mental note of this. Might need to take a screenshot of this to be completely honest. Let me just my thumbnail. Ooh, that look clean. I don't know. I don't know about you. That look clean. Yo, I really love trading, bro. I ain't gonna cap. I really love trading, bro. Hold on. Look what he grabbed. Alright, hold on. Let me put the money sign too. Boom, boom. I be seeing niggas be playing that money sign in their YouTube videos. I be like, that shit bad cool, bro. How you know that? Money sign grab. Take a look what he said. Fuck out of here, nigga. We out. Take your stop loss. Where we go? Where we at? Where we at with it? Oh shit. Alright, boom. Alright, let me take a screenshot. Ugh. Hopefully that came out well. It looks cool. It looks cool. So we good. We good. All right, but where we going? Where we going? Where we going? Which one do I want to choose? I took a lot of trades. I ain't gonna cap. Nah, I ain't gonna say I won all of them. You know what I'm saying? I ain't win all of them, but I definitely won. I won one today. I kind of want to break that one down. That shit was fire. Wow. But that was more of a like, wait, yeah. Okay. All right, we're going to do it tomorrow. Yesterday. So was that Thursday? Let me just go to the beginning. Oh, shit. All right, let me destroy that. Okay, boom. Damn, that shit dropping. All right, let me show you the trade I took today. I like that. I'm like that. I'm not gonna lie, I'm like that. Hold on. All right, boom. Because what was news? News was at 8:30. What was news at 8:30? Boom. Like, stop playing with me, bro. First of all, this was an FU candle. So once I saw this shit break and you saw like it was going up pretty fast, I took the buy. I had to. Now let me show you the sell I took. Because I took 2 sells today. And they both came. I took a lot of trades. I took like 4 or 5 trades and I won. But let me just show you. Boom. So let me just damn, my foot falling asleep. I be on my bed doing this. Niggas be at they desk chilling like I'm on my bed. Big time cooling. Alright, so I came to Morgan. Like, I see a little trade. What's trade I'm looking for? I see that there's a 1 minute order block. I don't know if there's a moving average in this zone. Let me see. I don't think there's a moving average around here. Because I've been practicing the FU pattern a lot. Oh wait, there was a moving average in here. Was there? I'm bugging. Yeah, I'm bugging. Hold up. Let me just make sure. Yeah, I know what happened. Damn, my fucking foot falling asleep, bro. You see? Shit you do for love. Alright, so boom. It was a 1 minute order block. And then, I don't remember why I took this trade, bro. I'm gonna see what happened. Okay. I don't remember why I took this trade. I just, maybe because it was an order block. Oh, it was a 5 minute. Oh, there was a shark fin right here. Shark fin is just an indication of reversal on the indicator chart. And then on the 1 minute, there was like, you could just, this type of thing, when you see this is experience after like losing for so much times. You kind of just know what's going to happen. I definitely did see this. I wasn't that intrigued by it. But I was like, if it does come down here. And I just took the sell, honestly. So, boom. I just took the sell. I've been like reading the trading in the zone book. I've been realizing like, take your trade if you see a signal. This is like a good enough. I don't need to always have a moving average. So I see an order block and I see a shark from the 5 minute and 3 minute. I'm just gonna take the trade. It's whatever I lose. It's all good. Losing is not a bad thing. You feel me? What's a bad thing is being in an urgent fear, immediate fear. Like impatient. So you're being impatient and you're fearful. That's not good. You feel me? But if you just lose, it's like, all right, losses come. You know, there's no trade that you're gonna know is gonna win. You just know what's the probability if you're winning. There's a high chance or low chance. If you see it's high chance, take the trade. Why are you afraid to take the trade? Just take the trade. You lose, cool. Doesn't matter. As long as you win over a long period of time. And if you have a good strategy, you're going to win. But you gotta take, when you see your setup, you gotta take that bitch. Alright, so boom, I got in this trade, 50 pip stop loss, 50 pip TP. And then I won it clearly because I'm that guy. I just done 1-to-1. I was cooling, and I saw this was a FU pattern as well. And then I knew it would hit the order block, so it's like it's gonna keep dropping. So I saw this one, and I took the sell again, but I had a smaller stop loss, like 5 pips damn near. But I was taking it to I wanted to take it to this order block right here because I knew it would. I had a feeling it would come down there, but I didn't know if it would break it. It ended up breaking it and shit. So we'll just play that out. Boom, boom. Okay, cool. And what happened? I don't even know why I'm showing you guys this. Okay. Bet. Okay, this was news. So news, boom. Now, remember, this is a order block, and now this is a clear zone. It's on a 5 minute. No, it was a 3 minute. It was a 3 minute doji. So now I see it's a doji. I know when it retested this, I wouldn't be surprised if it dropped. So it retested this, had issues. Once I saw this, I said, bitch, I'm in there. And then I saw the shark fin here. I saw the shark fin as well. So I was like, right here. Stop loss above the wick. CP fairly, not that bad. 30 pips. You know, 30 wordy. I could like go to my phone, but I'm just trying to do this because this isn't like the second trade I want to break down. This is just me showing you what happened today. Boom. Okay, cool. That's cool. And then I saw, I saw also when it comes to retest this week, it's going to go up. You niggas sound like this nigga is crazy, bro. Listen, man. And you a nigga like me, you did, yeah. I'm sorry. I'm been getting my confidence a lot in this trading shit recently. All right, so this was clearly a retest of the wick. F you as well. Nigga said, fuck you, nigga. Let me take out the doji. I just wanted the TP to touch this. As long as he touched this, I was cool. More average. Boom, boom, okay, that was cool. Literally, these 3 trades I took, I promise you, I put down everything. I took these 3 trades. I also took the buy. I took this buy, but it's like, this was more of a low risk. I saw it was a liquidity grab. I just took it. It wasn't like anything to flex about. So, let me just go over these real quick. I don't want to I took the sell as well, I forgot. I took the sell at the order block. 1. Took this FU pattern. I knew it was a retracement. Take the liquidity from this doji. Drop again. It came to this order block. That was my TP. It came up. Took this buy up. That's 1, 2. Let me just. My fault. Like, I don't want to explain this OD, but this is what happened today. It's like, if you guys could gain something just from me explaining this, you feel me? And if you can't, leave something in the comment below. It's all good. And I mean, next one will be more structured, where I won't just explain what happened today. But today was just such a crazy, monumental moment for me, because it's like, it really just showed me, like, bro, you know what you're doing. And if you lose, it's not the end of the world. I didn't lose, but if you lose, bro, okay. Trading in the Zone is a really good book. I'm only on chapter 5, bro, because I'm doing a breakdown every chapter. I'm only on chapter 5. Only on chapter 5, and I need to get this 11, 12 chapters. So the fact that I'm just making so much, whatchamacallit, it's actually ridiculous. Alright, bet. What else do we got? Alright. Whatever. It was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. I'll show you the buy. Just to like, it was like some shit like this. It was like a super tight stop loss though. I'm saying it's new. So let me just get him out of it. And that shit shot ridiculously. I think I closed around like right here. It shot ridiculously. So I was just out to trade off of it. Okay. I mean, let me just. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Literally ridiculous. I know. I'm that guy. Okay. So let me go to yesterday. That would be the second breakdown of the day. Okay, so. Oh, god damn, nigga. Chill. You're already giving up the sauce. You feel what I'm saying? It's not a good film. Let me just. Alright, boom. Alright. You're already giving up the sauce, bro. Alright, let me just go to the 1 minute. Because when I came to this chart, when I came home, because I got my mom just there, I said, hold on. We people on the 1 minute. What's going on? We got 3 moving averages at one spot? Hold on. 3. This is, what is it, 600? Nah, this is not 600, bro. Yo, I really thought it was a 600 because I just forgot. This is number 7. This is the 2K. Alright, it's over. You know what I mean? It's over, bro. Hold on, confluences. Let's just put that in. Just cuz, bro. When I saw that, I'm like, alright, bet. I remember Monday when I waited for my shit to come, and I was like, alright, bet. Because Monday, I was feeling the way when I took that trade, when I first saw the first liquidity shit. I was like, damn, bro, I lost. I'm like, nah, just wait for your setup to get touched. You coin. So, first movement average. First confluence. 1 minute, 800. X 1000, X 2000, with MA. Crazy. And then I also peeped. Wait, is that an order block? It's over. It's over. I had to check all the time frame. It says, oh, I'm saying, oh yeah. I said, oh yeah, it's lit. Oh, it's lit. We definitely targeting here. Cause it's like, even I'm not saying I'm gonna win, but if I lose, I'm not mad. I'm not mad at all. I'm not mad at all. OB, right there. Boom, bing, boom, pow. And then it's like, oh wait, that OB is a doji on the 5 minute. Yo, stop playing. Like at that point, I was mad. I ain't gonna lie. At that point, I was mad. I'm saying, I'm taking this trade. Hold on, let's put my phone on. I need my laptop on. 74. I was peeping other stuff. I could show you guys other stuff that I was peeping, but it's like it's unnecessary. Let me just show you guys the order block. Boom, order block. I'm gonna go in 3 minutes, just make it more presentable. Order block is just oh, I didn't want to explain it, bro. If I'm being honest, order block is basically like this is the. Let me show you order block real quick. About a 5 minute. Usually anything that looks like so. You see this small candle, it's small as fuck. This is a bullish candle and there's a bearish candle right there. So it's a small bullish candle before a bearish candle or a small bearish candle before a bullish candle. You know what those mean? I don't know what to tell you, bro. Like I could tell you, but let me know if you don't know what that means in the comment section, and then I'll explain all this extra shit. Because I like to just really, I don't want to teach. I just want to show. Well, if I gotta teach, I'm gonna be the priest. You dig? All right, hold on. So that's an order block. I had this zone thing out just in case it broke here, but I'm like, this is a doji, so it gives very good form for potential a potential FU pattern. All right, so we got the confluence right here, and then we got order block, order block. Another confluence is gonna be 5 minute doji because that's the FU pattern is just beautiful with. And that will be like the 200 moving average, 5 minute 200 MA. There was a 3 minute 200 MA, just in the zone, in the area. I'm just, I usually put it just because I don't look at them as one line. I look at them as an area. So do with that what you may. 3 minute. I mean, I could say 3 minute X 5 minute. Because there was a book something X 5 minute 200 MA. You got 15 minute, 15 minute 50 MA late on the exact on the like. Yo, bro, stop, yo, bro. All right, let me chill. I love seeing shit like this, bro. Cause like when I see this, I'll be like, "Oh, it's lit. It is lit. I'm out of here, bro." All right, 15 minute. All right, 30 minute. What's on the 30 minute? 30 minute, like, right there, bro. 50 MA right there. I don't know if it came all the way that high, but I'm still gonna put it. Cause if I see that, that's the area. Like it's basically an area. And it's in the OB, 30 minute, and I'll just go to the 1 hour. Cause I was looking at what's the other possibilities. And I'm like, this looks bearish, so it may not even come all the way down here. I mean, all the way up there. So I'm seeing, okay, bet. Worst case scenario, I'm getting over here. Cause I also knew news was what was this yesterday, right? News was coming in at 8:30, so I'm like, shit. I don't really know what's gonna happen. Cause now I'm looking at the 5 minute. Between the 5 minute, got the shark fin. It's already up here. I'm also seeing that this is a resistance, mad resistance right here. So I'm like, boom. I could take that sell, but that's not my strat. So I'm like, I'm waiting for it to come up here, and it's like it's right there, like, bro. It's literally right there. That's 10 pips. So I'm like, just come up here, and I'm gonna take the sell. Don't, but it started reversing right here, and I'm like, bruh, you're not that ass, gang. You know what I'm saying? Like, you're not that. And also, I'm talking a lot. I ain't gonna lie, but so in this order block, there was the 5 minute 800 moving average and the 1,000 moving average. So I'm like, let me just put the conflict for y'all. I'm like, nah, this is a great buy over here. Confluences. My computer be overheating. Yo, son. Yeah. Confluences. 1 hour. Order block. 5 minute. 800. X 1000. Alright. There's probably more. Let me just check for you guys. Is there more? Not really. But I also saw this shit. I'm pretty sure I took this trade, but it kind of gets repetitive at this point because this was like beautiful. You would get comments. That's why I was like, let me just choose these majors. Oh, it reacted off of this too. I'll show you guys. That's why it's like so much opportunity that you could be crazy. And there was like this order block here too. I was looking at, but I was like, I'm not really jacking. You know what I'm saying? I'm not jacking. I'm not gonna take a trade off of that. Even though that order block. Hold on, let me show y'all real quick. That order block had, I think it was a 5 minute 1000 MA in it. So I was like, I'm still not gonna take it because I'm gonna get like 2 or 3 trades per day. So I'm not really just gonna take that one. I'm gonna take the bigger ones. And I'm gonna show you what happened. Let me just show you guys how it reacts off of this. But I didn't take this trade following my rules. Boom. Okay, it didn't react off of it. Nah, it did. Man, this shit keeps spoiling niggas, bro. I'm sorry, man. Spoiler alert. So boom. Oh, I did take this trade. I took this trade. I got messed up. I ain't gonna lie. Cause like you see the shark right here, and it was the FU candle. I'm gonna show you why I took this trade. I lost this one. So this is clearly a doji. Took liquidity. Touched the moving average. Shark fin right here. Shark fin with divergence if we're being honest. So I took the trade. I was in profit for a while. But I wanted it to like break here because I wanted to get the 20. This is where you can't be greedy, bro. Man, I wish I could explain. All right, let me see. All right. So this was a shark fin right here, a small little shark fin format, and it's touching the moving average, and it's an order block. And I'm like, nigga, just hit my TP real quick, bro. Hit my TP, man. I'm saying, like, I ain't even trying to take up the trade because if you see, it still didn't touch my TP. I'm like, come on, boy, you right there, you right there. Let's touch my TP. Let's touch it. And I'm watching it. I'm like, this is a order block. I'm like, I don't know. And it happened. You see, I'm being transparent. I showed y'all the L. That's the L I took. But there was a dub. It was like, nigga, hold on. Look at that. You know what I'm saying? That's dope. That's what I'm saying to my boy Illuminati. Alright. Yeah, that shit hurt. I ain't gonna lie. That shit hurt bad. Alright, so boom. Alright, so we in the OB. Right? Is this news? Nah, what time was news? 8:30. I didn't take this trade though. Cause like I'm like news is right around the corner. You know what I mean? So I'm like news is right here. I'm not gonna take the trade. Cause if I take it, I've experienced news touching my shit. I enter, I see right here. I've experienced myself taking the trade. What news? How my stop loss right here? I have a 7 pip stop loss. It still take me out like fucking 400. I mean, I'm like, I like 30 pips stop. I'm like, I had a 7 pip stop loss. How do I lose 30 pips worth of the lot size I used? So I was like, I'm not even gonna play that. I don't play that. You know what I'm saying? So it went crazy, and I kind of could tell. I could tell, bro. It's so crazy. I could tell that it was gonna do that too because I was like, let me just do this. You see that it came up, went back down. Liquidity was grabbed. Liquidity is basically they took the nigga stop losses, and on top of that, liquidity was grabbed here because this is the order block, right? Liquidity was grabbed right here too. They took the nigga stop losses right here, bro. I said, boom, it's over, bro. I really said it was over, bro. it's gonna go up. I know it's gonna go up. I didn't know where, but I'm like, it's gonna go up, bro. But like, even if it goes up, it might drop and then go up. And then where did it go? Where did it go, bro? It went directly to the moving averages. That you being dead ass, bro. That's when I saw that. I said, nah, it's lit. So it went back up. And then when I saw this, I entered right here. I entered right here because I saw it's not gonna keep pushing. This was a FU candle. I mean, if you had a limit here, that's a whole different story. I should probably start trading with limits. I mean, cause I could have had a limit right here, stop loss above here. I would have been in this trade, off rip, off rip, off rip, off rip. But what I did was, since I didn't have a limit there, cause I didn't even know it was gonna go that crazy, I entered right here, like around here, stop loss above here. I mean, for you guys' purpose, I would say the safest trade would have been like to enter right here. So enter right here, right here. And I'm targeting like this wick. I'm targeting this full wick. I mean, that's what happened. See, all right, boom. And that was the trade. This was just a FU pattern thing. Like, you have to learn the FU pattern. Maybe I should have broke down another trade because I broke down mad shit though. You know what I'm saying? I'm just showing you the trades I took. I ain't gonna lie. I'm just showing you the trades I took. And once you understand the FU pattern, you'll be able to do what I'm doing. You know what I'm saying? Like, I would just say if you wanted, if the best thing would have been for this scenario would be limit here, TP here. I mean, stop loss there, and then TP at least 1 to 2. You don't have to you don't have to rush, but I would just say I would say right here, previous structure, boom. Boom. Okay, boom. Alright. I got my limit set, guys. Yeah. Oh shit. TP8. Wow. It's like, I mean, you can go crazier if you want. Like, boom. Okay, cool. I don't know why I'm losing my energy, but that's basically the trade right there. And what was the? I mean, let me super go back because that was not my trade. Let me show you my trade. There we go. I got a 110, 1.53 for this one. This one was playing with me though. I ain't gonna lie. I just closed it once I saw once I had 29 pips. I said, all right, bet. I like because usually I have like a 15 pip leverage. So yeah, that's what I'm saying. I didn't enter right here. I entered like around here, but I had like a 15 pip leverage. So I was like, let me make sure I get like at least a 30. You know what I'm saying? At least a 30 piece. I ended up getting a 37 piece though. But so the RR was yeah, bro, chill out, man. 11.8. 37.2. 1, let's do 1, 2, 3.14. And let me just put the font lower. Where's the confluence of that, though? I mean, these are the confluences for up there. So, I mean, I won't jack them. They're like for right there. These are the confluences right here. My confluence is for here, but just like the fact that it did this and that it was an FU pattern because I'm trying to practice the FU pattern, so I just knew like okay, 9 times out of 10 it's gonna drop. And I mean, if I look at the other, maybe if I were to look at the I don't know, I just could tell. Then like I know like with new, so everybody's clearing their orders and just taking taking like closing their orders. All right, we got what we want. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, bro. I ain't gonna say I don't think the last shit was the best breakdown for you guys, but if you were a seasoned veteran, you're gonna understand what I'm saying. If you're not, if you're not, bro, pull up to the next ForexFlood Friday. I'll do a better trade breakdown for you. I could have done like more, but it's like you want me to do it. Let me see what I can find a good one for you guys. Ugh. Let me remove all of this. Sorry, let me see what's going on with the chart right now as well. It's probably still dropping. Yeah, it's still dropping. That shit's OD. Yo, I'm telling you, my man's probably got stopped out. This nigga's a fucking order block trader. I told that nigga, bro. I don't be swinging, bro. You know what I'm saying? I don't swing, bro. I'm not a swinger in real life or as a trader. I just take my TPs because I got out. Yeah, he probably got stopped out. That's tough. He be alright though. He's all part of the process. Alright, let me see if I can show you guys something. I mean, I could break down. What's the trade I took? I told you guys the trade I took there. Alright, so this is a better trade to break down. I'll tell you, this is just a simple order block. Shark fin. Right here. Yeah, right here. Order block, shark fin. And then boom. My fault, bad. I mean, I showed you guys this already though. It came back for news. It came up here, and yeah, I'm not even gonna like explain it. It just went. It's saying shark fin right here, boom, shark fin. Next week, I think all my trades breakdown were clean. The first one was the best breakdown. That's like the most picture perfect breakdown for you. The second one I showed you guys was like it was more of a thing that you know. Because if I had the limit set, yeah, that's a whole different story. I didn't have a limit set, so I still got into the move, and I was still fine with losing because I said losing does not matter. Like I want to, like, if I could show you guys, like losing does not matter, bro. Damn, where can I find it? Now, I'll just end the trade. I mean, I'll end the, I'll end the video. All right, bet. Let's set up a scenario. Let me see. Um, all right, I'll just do this one. Let's set up a scenario where your last 2 or 3 trades were losers. You are watching the market and the variables you use to indicate that an opportunity exists are now present. Instead of immediately executing the trade, you hesitate. Like my second trade. Instead of me executing the trade, I could have hesitated. But I remember reading this and I said, nah, bro, you taking a trade. You know what I'm saying? It don't matter, nigga. And this is only if your last 2 or 3 trades were losses. I've been winning all week. You know what I'm saying? I'm pulling. The trades feel very risky. So risky, in fact, that you start questioning whether this is really a signal. As a result, you start gathering information to support why this trade probably won't work. Your mind starts to play tricks on you. You know what I'm saying? This is information you normally wouldn't consider or pay attention to, and it's certainly not information that is part of your trading methodology. In the meantime, the market is moving. Unfortunately, it is moving away from your original entry point, the point at which you would have gone into the trade if you hadn't hesitated. Now you are conflicted because you still want to get in. That's usually what happens. Niggas be hesitant, and then the trade start moving, and you like, nah, I gotta get in. Like you said, nah, I gotta get in. It's like, bro, this shit moving without you, gang. Let me show a situation where it's like you should have been gotten in, bro. And if like even if you don't get in, at least have a setup, bro. Like, hold on, I can't even show it. I mean, I could, but I don't even want to. Where were we? Where were we? If you had to hesitate. Now you were conflicted, but you still want to get in. The thought of missing a winning trade is painful. At the same time, as the market moves away from your entry point, the dollar value of the risk to participate increases. The tug of war inside your mind intensifies. You don't want to miss out, but you don't want to get whipsawed out either. That's the real shit. In the end, you do nothing, which is cool because you are paralyzed by the conflict. You justify your state of immobility by telling yourself that it's just too risky to chase the market. While you agonize over every tick the market moves in the direction that would have been a nice win trade. At the moment you hesitated, were you perceiving what the market was making available or perceiving what was in your head reflected back to you? The market gave you a signal, but you didn't perceive the signal from an objective or positive perspective. You didn't see it as an opportunity to experience the positive feelings you would get from winning or making money. But that's exactly what the market was making available to you. Think about this for a moment. If I change the scenario so that your last 2 or 3 trades were winners instead of losers, Would you have perceived the signal any differently? Me personally, I think would have, because when I be winning, I'd be like, all right, I'm a loser. This is too good to be true. I'm a loser eventually, so I'm like, nah, bro. Let me be on my p's and q's. As, but I'm getting better. Like I just be like, no matter what, I'm gonna take my trade, no matter what. If you were coming off 3 winners in a row, would you have hesitated to put the trade on? It's unlikely. It's very unlikely. I'm not gonna lie. It's still very unlikely. In each situation, the market generated the same signal, but your state of mind was negative and fear-based in this first scenario. That caused you to focus on the possibility of failure, which in turn caused you to hesitate. So I say that to say this. I got that from my voice saying this. basically, basically, bro, the market is not with you, nor is it against you, bro. Just take your trade. You feel what I'm saying? Like it's not that deep, bro. If the market is showing you a signal, you take the signal. If it's not, you don't. You're not gonna. No amount of focus or concentration is gonna guarantee you the W. No amount of hope is gonna guarantee you the W. So he's like, if it shows you something, like he said, the market generated the same signal you see all the time. You take the bitch. You lose. Alright, bro, I lost. I'm gonna take the next bitch. You win. Ooh, it's clean. I won. Let me see if I can show y'all niggas something real quick. Cause psychology is everything, bro. This is my old account. Damn, you already seen my shit. Yeah, I'm a fly guy. Thank you. I'm a fly guy. Look at him. I'm a fly guy. This guy a little fly. Let me see. Hold on. Let me comment. You a fly guy, man. You a fly guy. You a fly guy. Can I put an emoji? What emoji do I want to put? Let me put the story emoji. You a fly guy. You a fly guy. Oh, this is not even. Oh, this is an old account, bro. I ain't gonna lie. This was an old account. I used to try to. I was trying to like. Yeah, bro. There's a lot of businesses that you try to do when you fail. It don't matter. Before something, it's over. But let me go to Tradekeep. I mean, I think it's Trading Composure. No, it's Tradekeep. It's Tradekeep. Where is that? 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 It's a great picture I gotta show you. If y'all niggas clicked off, some whole ass niggas, I ain't gonna lie. Trading Composure. It's one of these two charts. Do these two. Let me see. I'm gonna end it off with this one though. I'm gonna end it off with this one. Yeah, it's Tradekeep. It's Tradekeep. Where that bitch at? Oh, that shit was a minute ago. Damn, these niggas been posting some shit. Was it June 21? God damn, look at it. That shit was a minute ago. Alright, this shit pretty deep. Let me just send it to high satisfy. There we go. Don't be looking at my DMs. Yeah, yo, bro. Alright, these niggas looking at my DMs. You know what I mean? Win trade, I'm smiling, bro. Win loss trade, I'm smiling. Look what these niggas said, bro. Won a trade, cool. Lost a trade, cool. Broke even, cool. Trade isn't about feeling a rush of excitement and adrenaline. If you want that, then go to Vegas and try your chances there. Trading professionally means you're not attached to any outcome, nor do you try and control the results that happen. You simply execute your plan and refine it over time. You see, I'm gonna like these niggas. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna like it. I'm gonna comment. I don't even know what to say. Pure I ain't gonna comment. I ain't wanna comment. But yeah, I'm gonna like that shit. For me. And with that being said, thank you to watching this trade breakdown. If you learned anything, let me know. If you didn't, it's too bad. I ain't gonna lie, it's really too bad. But let me know if you didn't, and I'll probably try to make it. You know what I'm saying? This is like the first one, so it wasn't as well organized. I'm realizing that I gotta like probably have my trade like I don't know. I just gotta figure out, and I might have a screenshot of the trades too, just so like niggas know I'm not capping. And yeah, bro. Next one will be more organized. I just did show on the fly because I'm not even gonna lie. I definitely forgot. What time is it? It's 11. That's oh shit. Let me just do this shit real quick. So first ForexFlood Friday. Next one will be better than this one. But again, there. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your day. Remember, keep your losses smaller than your wins because if you don't, you're fucked. I ain't gonna lie.